Run, squirrel! Alright. We'll call that an end to a day. Silly me, forgot to turn the grip heaters off from this morning. I'm warm enough, I don't need hot hands. Okay, 44. There, I stopped, nobody's coming, you're turning, so heck yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, what you doing there, Nissan? Let's get the girl some gas. She's thirsty and I don't want to risk not having gas tomorrow morning. Okay, cheapy cruiser. Just because the person in front of me is rolling, you wait till I roll. So I'm not going to roll 6 feet just to put my foot down again. Alright, get the fuelings. Ah, crikey. I am so good at finding that gear. Alright, what do you say we take a quick look-see at what the freeway looks like, huh? Alright, 205 looks beautiful, boys and girls. That's all I'm doing. I'm done. I want to go home. I don't know why I bothered turning my signal off for that short of a jaunt. That was a lovely sight of the minivan. Glad I was expecting it. Yeah, I'm good. It's gonna get no greener for you, lady. dumb dad jokes. Yeah, I don't really need to push it. Everybody's going. It appears to be a good clip. So, oh man, I hate it when I find those divots they cut in. I guess they put those divots in there for the reflectors. Keep them safe when they plow the road when it snows. Which is actually the really good joke, because they barely plow this. So it doesn't matter. Yeah, we'll take the outside. Hope everybody knows how to stay in their own damn lane. Yeah, crikey. Well, that was a bit of a mess up. Do-do-do. It's gotta be concert season. Okay, folks, not my favorite side of the lanes to go up. I always find every manhole cover going up.